doesn't want to make a good impression? We all want people to like us, but many people don't give much thought to the unconscious signals you're emitting. You're probably hoping that your charismatic personality can stand alone. Guess what? If you want to make a stunning, remarkable impression on someone, then you need the combo effect: personality and power moves. I call this the scored method, and in case you're strapped for time, I'll sum it up and give you the bare bones up front. If you want to show people you're honest and not hiding anything, keep your body open and have good posture, and move and talk slowly to show you're confident and deserve respect and attention. That's the 5-second summary, but if you've got the time, then baby, keep on watching for all the fine details. Number 1, the cheapest and easiest thing you can do is smile. It's the one accessory that you should wear every day. If possible, keep a slight smile at all times, and when you decide to smile brightly, show your teeth. Just a little. Letting people get a peek at those pearly whites shows that you're open to new experiences. Number 2, conversation. For some, this comes natural, but for many, initiating and maintaining an interesting conversation is difficult. Here's some tips. Use people's names in greetings, when directly addressing someone in a group, and when parting. Once you learn a name, use it immediately to help you remember it. Listen to a person's stories and ask questions about their experiences and interests. Your ability to listen and feign being impressed makes you very likable. And if something really does impress you, let them know. People can sense a real compliment, and they'll just eat it up. Don't be judgy or disagreeable. It's okay to have a different viewpoint, but don't argue or try to convince someone that you're right. You can state that you disagree and even give points in your favor, but you should respect their opinion and, if possible, compliment them on their strong defense of their viewpoint. That will show that you aren't threatened by new ideas and you're confident enough to be different without needing anyone's approval. In most instances, pause before responding to anything. Talking slow and delaying a response to a comment or question shows that you have self-control and take the time to think about what the person has said. This will make them feel respected because it seems that you're truly considering their thoughts or their question. It will also keep them interested and engaged with you because they have a short moment to wonder what you're going to say. Number 3, open up your body. I have several pointers for this one. Let's start with your feet. Keep them shoulder length apart to take up more space. Keep your spine tall. Never hunch over. Keep your arms to your side or spread out. Don't cross them over your body in any way or fidget with your face or hair. Don't put anything in your lap. Talk with your hands, showing your palms when you can. Keep your head parallel with the floor. Too high, and you look arrogant. Too low, and you look afraid. And as you know, when you shake hands, do it firmly, with 3 solid shakes and a slow release. I would highly recommend you practice all of this with a friend and in front of the mirror. Number 4, relax. Relaxing your muscles, your eyes, your voice, your conversation, your movements, everything will make you seem more confident. Look around slowly, respond thoughtfully, move deliberately, and breathe. The best thing about relaxing is that you can be a ball of nerves inside and still posture your body to appear to be relaxed. Number 5, eyes. They are windows to the soul, so you have to let people look in, but don't overdo it. You should make contact for 3 to 4 seconds. Any longer and people will feel uncomfortable. You can break away with a gesture or blink and then look back at them. Don't squint or make your eyes too wide. You need them to be just right, so it's best that you practice in the mirror so you know what you look like. Move your eyes slowly as you look around. Jerky, quick eyes will make you look nervous and weak. When you're talking in a group, look at each person as you speak. If you only focus on a few people, the others will feel ignored. You've made it to score, but let's get you all the way to scored. Number 6, dress. You should dress one little bit better than the event requires in clothes that fit. Remember, one cheap outfit that fits is better than 10 expensive outfits that don't complement your body. Take the time to learn the type of clothes that will highlight your best features, and then take time to find clothes that fit your shoulders and your arm and leg lengths. Add accessories like watches, necklaces, and purses to make the clothes even classier. If you wear makeup, take the time to learn how to apply it properly. A few small changes can make a huge difference. And one word of caution, don't completely overdress. If you're going to a casual birthday party, don't show up in a business suit. Remember, just one small step over what is customary. It'll make you stand out, seem professional, appear to be confident, and will show others that you take pride in your image, which isn't arrogant. It shows you have self-respect. Now you can say you've scored today. You know how to smile, show interest in others, keep your body open and take up space, relax, make eye contact, using gestures and blinks to look away, and dress in nice clothes that fit and complement your body. My final advice is this. Whether you follow these suggestions or not, when you encounter someone who doesn't like you or who is hateful or rude, don't take it personally. It's hard not to, I know, but remember that everyone is self-absorbed, so a bad attitude and negativity is always about them and their insecurities. And whether you're faking it or not, confident people are respectful, withhold hurtful opinions of others, and treat everyone kindly. But if someone really pisses you off and you're on the verge of saying or doing something inappropriate, just remind yourself that at least you're smarter than the person who is treating you with disrespect. How? Because you know better, and you're able to accept their criticism with dignity and a bright smile. That kind of response will annoy the fuck out of them. And that means that once again, you've scored.